Just put cooking oil on your car tire and be amazed. What I'm about to show you will forever change the way you take care of your car or motorcycle. Car wash owners will hate me for this, and even mechanics are shocked when they find out. Let's go straight to the step-by-step instructions. Take a clean container and add some cooking oil. It can be exactly what you use every day. The ideal amount is simple. Approximately 1 finger's width at the bottom of the container. This oil is the real secret to durability. It moisturizes the rubber, prevents drying out, protects against cracking, and even creates a waterproof layer that repels water, dirt, and dust. Then add some coconut detergent. And here's an important detail. It needs to be coconut detergent. It's gentler, helps the oil adhere to the rubber, and prevents the tire from becoming slippery or stained. And before I forget, comment below which city or country you're watching this video from. I want to know how far this tip is reaching. Now mix everything calmly until it's completely homogeneous. You'll notice that the texture becomes slightly creamy, and that's precisely what guarantees that uniform and professional shine upon application. Next, take a dishwashing sponge, wet one end in the mixture, and apply it to the tire in circular motions, patiently covering the entire sidewall. There's no need to use too much. The secret is to spread it well, forming only a thin, shiny layer. Remember, always apply it to a clean and completely dry tire. This allows the product to penetrate the rubber better and create an invisible and resistant protective film. Many people believe that to achieve shine and protection on tires, you need to use an industrial product full of harsh chemicals. But what almost no one knows is that the secret of the famous tire shine isn't in the brand, but in the reaction between the oil and the rubber. Cooking oil has an essential characteristic. It's hydrophobic. That is, it repels water. When you apply oil to the tire, it creates a thin, flexible, and waterproof film that prevents moisture from entering and keeps dust from sticking. This layer also prevents the tire from losing its natural color, prevents that whitish appearance, and reduces wear caused by the sun and daily use. And there's more. Here we use plant-based, biodegradable ingredients that are much less aggressive to the environment. A detail that almost no one thinks about, but that makes all the difference. Another advantage of this protective micro-layer is that it remains, even after rain or the first washes. The shine lasts longer, the tire stays clean for more days, and maintenance becomes much simpler. It's no coincidence that many car wash owners and automotive detailing professionals know and use this technique quietly. If you do this today, you'll already notice the difference after the first application. The result is impressive.